Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update individual Android apps automatically. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Play Store. And then in here, you just click on the profile icon at the top. This one. Click on it. And then in here you just click on the manage app and device. This is the one, and then click on it. And then in here you just click on manage at the top, this one. Click on it. And then find the apps you want to update automatically. Maybe for Instagram, so click on it. And then in here you just click on the three dots at the top, this one. Click on it. And then in here you just click turn on to update, like this. This is the turn off. But if you wanna turn on for the enable auto update, you just click on it to a green check icon, like this, and finish. So that's how to update individual Android apps automatically. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.